Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to show you a short video, so you can see how you should not have the alternator belt, alternator band, accessory belt or auxiliary belt. And also in this car, it is not only the belt is very damaged, with the consequent danger of it breaking. You can see all the cracks, but on top of that it has the vibration damper, which is also a tensioner. It has burst. He brought the vehicle in because it was making a lot of noise. Logically you have to be careful. You have to look at this first before, because here, in this vehicle, the problem, look at the cracks in the belt, and now you will immediately see the shock absorber. That is also burst. You see the burst shock absorber, that's why it was making noise, apart from the fact that it was already very rigid, because this belt is already very deteriorated, so it was slipping a little. And with the shock absorber burst, because at any moment it could have broken or come off, and if it breaks, it comes off and it gets caught on the crankshaft pulley. It gets caught from behind, because the engine stops suddenly, that is, the distribution is loaded. It can break the engine, but the problem is if you go at a certain speed and this happens, which at least you wait for it, that belt comes off and the vehicle stops dead. Imagine the consequent danger that there is with that. They tell you that they change between 50 and 100,000 kilometers, or 150,000, but it is always convenient. When it has more than 50,000 kilometers, take a look at it. And don't let it get to this situation. I have seen broken belts and burst engines due to these breakdowns. And don't lose sight of those of you who have the shock absorber. If it has traces of oil, which usually indicates when it is already leaking, or it is already burst. Well, there you have the video. I hope it has been useful to you, and if so, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.